Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can make your own website on Ecwid, so let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to go onto the Ecwid website and then just click to sign up. And once you do that, you'll be prompted to enter all your information. You can sign up with Google, as I've done myself, and then you can also create an account manually by entering your email, your password, verifying your email, etc. Now, once you enter all of that information, you will be prompted with a questionnaire once you actually open up your account, which will help you set up your store for the specific items that you need. I myself have set it up for services, and once you set that up, you'll arrive at your dashboard. Here, you'll see a checklist, which will allow you to best track what you've done with your site. So, for example, you can go into your website and you can go into overview. You can edit your online store and what it looks like. You can edit the appearance and the site content if you wish. You can also change the domain name if you have a domain you want yourself, or if you want to purchase one from Ecwid themselves, or you can just use the free one that is provided with the free plan. You can also manage your SEO as well as advanced website settings, and you can add your store to other sites. But that is pretty much it for your website side of things. Additionally, you can go into catalog, go into products, add new products, or import them from other sources. You can also export all of them if you have a premium account. You can review your regional settings, such as your country, currency, and language of your store. You can choose how you deliver your goods through shipping and pickup. You can add shipping, you can add local delivery and self pickup, and you can also set up payment options by going into payment. You can set up Stripe, PayPal, or whichever payment provider you think fits best. Depending on your region, you'll have more options. However, the options are quite numerous, at least in the case of Poland, which I've set up for my store, and that is pretty much it. That's how you set up your site. Once you're done with all of that, you should be good. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.